Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Patricia and today I will show you how to bake banana bread. So let's get started. First, let's get melted butter on the stove and leave outside. All the ingredients and the measurement will be in the description box down below. Next, smash the bananas with the fork like I do or use a blender. Smashed banana mixed with melted butter, vanilla sugar, eggs, and fairly mix it. In an empty bowl, mix dry ingredients, flour, baking soda, and salt, and next mix dry ingredients with wet ingredients. Mix dry ingredients and wet ingredients and put them to the baking mold and baking on 150 to the 160 degrees of Celsius, and bake this around the hour. After the hour, if you poke the cake with toothpick, if the toothpick is still going to be wet, leave it for the next 10 to the 15 minutes. And that's it, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave me thumbs up, and we'll see each other with another video very, very soon.